Good morning, class. Once again, I welcome you all, my English online class. So today, 9th of January 2021, again we are going to practice the grammar portion, and that is direct and indirect speech. Yesterday we had done some exercises, practice exercises related to this topic. Today again we will do some more practice so that no doubt should be there in our mind. So change the sentences into indirect speech, right? Change the sentences into indirect speech. Now the first question is, he said to her, he said to her, you also note it down in your copy. He said to her, do you want to go home? This is an interrogative type of sentence. Okay. So the question is, he said to her, do you want to go home? So this is a question and form. We can change like this. He asked her. He asked her. Okay. He asked her. क्योंकि वो पूछ रहा है. He asked her. आपका क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? Do you want to go home? क्या तुम घर जाना चाहते हो? इस पहले हमें क्वेश्चन देखना है कि क्या चीज है. क्वेश्चन है आपका, Do you want to go home? क्या तुम घर जाना चाहते हो? तो इसका आंसर हो रहा है yes या no में. मैंने बताया था जब भी आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए और उसका आंसर आप ऐसे दे रहे हो yes या no में, उसमें हम कंजक्शन whether या if लगाते हैं, अदरवाइज हम नहीं लगाएंगे कहीं पर. तो यहाँ पे yes no का आंसर दिख रहा है. So here we will put, he asked her if who becomes she, girl के बारे में बात हो रही है इसमें. If she wanted to go home. Okay. If she wanted to go home. Right? Now, the second question. Let us do the second question. Same pattern I will give. Same pattern. Two types. You said to us. Right? You said, तुमने हमसे कहा, हमसे us आएगा. You said to us, how do you solve this sum? How do you solve this sum? इस sum को कैसे solve किया जाए? इसका आंसर yes no में नहीं आ रहा. We will not use any like that. So we can change this direct speech into indirect speech like this manner. You asked us. How से बना गया question, isn't it? You asked us how us का we हो गया पे, you को ऐसे we, क्योंकि us के बारे में हमारे बारे में तो हम इसको we लेके करेंगे. So how we solved, SOLVED, solve become solve, past tense में. How we solve, this का क्या हो जाएगा? That sum. How we will solve that sum. Okay, this become that. Again, I am saying you said to us, how do you solve this sum? We can write this in indirect speech like this. You asked us how we solve that sum. Right? Now, number third one. Little bit different type of it. Okay. He said to me, sorry. Number 3. He said to me, Okay, he said to me, उसने मुझसे कहा, he said to me, I have often told you not to play. I have often told you not to play with me. Listen it carefully. He said to me, उसने मुझसे कहा, है ना? उसने मुझसे कहा, क्या कहा? I have often told you. क्या कहा उसने? I have often told you. मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि तुम मेरे साथ मत खेलो. Right? So how we will change this one into indirect speech? Like this manner. Okay. Here we can write that he told me. तू हट जाएगा बेटा, ध्यान रखेगा. He told me that he had, ये प्रेजेंट में है तो इसका पास्ट हो गया. He had often told you becomes me. He had often told me not to play with, me का क्या हो जाएगा? Him. With him. Like this. Okay, इस तरह से करना. Again I am telling you, he told me that I becomes he, have का past had, often told you becomes me, not to play with me की जगह पे him. समझ में आया? Now the next question. Question number 4. You can say question number 4. Question number 4. Run away, children. Run away, children. Run away, children, said the mother. Said the mother. The mother said, run away the children. Right. So how will you change this sentence into indirect speech? The mother run away the children. The mother asks the children. क्या बोलेंगे हम? The mother asks or ordered, whatever you like. The mother ordered the children or asked the children. ठीक है ना? Ask भी correct है, order भी correct है. आप यहाँ पे ask भी लिख सकते हैं और order भी लिख सकते हैं. Requested नहीं होगा. Requested का नहीं लग रहा है. हम इसमें request नहीं लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है? So the mother asks the children to run away. मैंने to क्यों यूज किया यहाँ पे? क्योंकि ये imperative type of sentence है. Imperative sentence में to का यूज होता है. Imperative type of sentence में to. The teacher said sit down. The teacher ordered to sit down. The teacher ordered the students to sit down. इस तरह से तो to लगता है. Imperative type of sentence में हम to का यूज करते हैं. Right? So in this manner we can do different types of questions related to the topic. Now one more practice, let us see. Okay. Rajesh says she has brought fame to her family. She has brought fame, F-A-M, fame to her family. Rajesh says she has brought fame to her family. Now, this type kind of question, how will you change? Here, student, be careful. The reporting speech is says, not said or anything like that. Okay, here the reporting speech is verb is here, that is says. So here in this sentence, Rajesh says, same we have to keep it like this. There will be no change at all. कोई change नहीं होगा. Rajesh says that she has change नहीं होगा past. She has brought fame to her. बिल्कुल as it is question. Brought fame to her family. No change at all. Same as it is. Rajesh says that she has brought fame to her family. There will be no change in the sentence. It is remain unchanged. जैसे हमने पढ़ा था कि इस तरह टाइप के सेंटेंस चेंज नहीं होते हैं, आपको ध्यान होना चाहिए रूल्स में. So here we have discussed 5 questions today in this module related topic. Now I will ask you some questions to you. You will have to give the reply. Okay. Now be ready. Whomsoever I will ask, you have to raise your hands, and I will call the name of the students. Then you will reply it. Now your question is. He said, face is the index of mind. Face is the index of mind. Yes. Raise up your hand. Face is the index of mind. Maitri Mishra.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
The index of mind.
Repeat it, Maitri Mishra.
He said that face was the index of mind.
Wrong. Kyati Saraswat.
Ma'am, he told that face was the index of mind.
Extremely wrong. Prachi Totla.
He said that face is the index of mind because this is the universal truth.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Very good answer given by Prachi Totla. Good, keep it up. Yes. She told that as this sentence is the universal truth. जो सेंटेंस में यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ होता है उसे चेंज नहीं किया जाएगा. दिस इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. फेस इज द इंडेक्स ऑफ माइंड. फेस हमें पूरा बता देता है कि क्या हकीकत है. ये एक यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है, इसमें हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. इसमें सिर्फ इतना ही लिखना आपको. He said that face is the index of mind. Reporting speech, no changes at all. In universal truth, reporting speech will remain unchanged. Did you get my point, students? Now be careful. इस तरह से while discussing each and every question, we will get more things. Okay, आपने कहा था face was the face नहीं होगा, ये एक universal सच है. He said sun sets in the west. Suppose एक example है. He said sun sets in the west. ये sun sets in the west एक universal truth है कि सूरज अस्त कहाँ होता है? West direction. ये एक universal truth है. तो उस सेंटेंस में भी हमें ऐसे ही लिखना है. There will be no change at all in that type of sentences. So in universal truth type of sentences, the reporting speech will remain unchanged. Now the next question we will proceed. He said, number 2. He said it may rain tonight. He said it may rain. He said it may rain tonight. Okay, now how will you change this? Raise up your hands. Only 2 hands I got it. That is Hashit and Prachi. What about the others? Nilay Jawan. Then next two. Anyone? I couldn't able to see any hands. What is the problem? Let me know what's the problem. Khushi Paliwal. Now question is to you. You will give the answer. Khushi Paliwal. Khushi Paliwal, are you there in the class? Khushi Paliwal. हाँ बेटा. Will you able to know the answer of this question? He said, it may rain tonight. Jesna Thomas, I am giving you a chance to give the answer. Jesna Thomas. Jesna Thomas, आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. Your voice is not clear. Let me. Okay, fine. Now this question is to Saket Jaiswal. Saket Jaiswal.
Yes, ma'am. He said that it might rain tonight.
Wrong, beta. Wrong. It is wrong. You told that he said it. May का क्या हो जाएगा?
Might.
है ना? Might. ठीक है. May becomes might. May becomes might. Then it might rain tonight. Change into that night.
That night.
That night. That change into that night. Tonight का tonight नहीं लिखना है. That night. उस रात को. समझ में आया ना?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
ध्यान
ma'am.
रखिएगा. Yes, अपना ऑडियो बंद कर लीजिए साकेत जायसवाल. Now one more question is there. I said I have finished my work. 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 How will you change? Mansi Meena, very good. Reply.
I told that I had finished my work.
Yes, very good. I told that or I said that I had to press पे क्या आ जाएगा? Had. I had finished my work. Okay, there will be no change here, isn't it? Because here I को ही present किया जा रहा है. So I hope whatever we have discussed, and after the class I will give you some more questions to practice it, and with the answer also it is there. But do practice more so that no doubt should be there. Okay, no doubt should be there. If you have any queries, you can ask me on Monday. Okay, Monday we will again do it. If you have any query, then again we will practice indirect speech so that no doubt should be there. Because if you learn or we practice more and more, then nothing should be written. Indirect or direct speech बहुत important है. In your further classes, it is very important. So you should have to know how to change it. Okay. So this is the end of our meeting. I hope whatever we have discussed